Transform your outdoor space with the SERWALL Classic Folding Adirondack Chair, the perfect mix of style, comfort, and durability for patios, decks, gardens, and backyards across the USA. Built from high-impact HIPS polymaterial, this chair is designed to resist fading, cracking, peeling, and weather damage, standing up to sun, rain, snow, and even sea breeze without losing its classic wood grain look. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable and easy to store, while a wide, contoured seat, 22-inch armrests, gently reclined shell back, and waterfall front ensure maximum comfort, relieving pressure on your legs and allowing you to relax for hours. Supporting up to 360 pounds and featuring stainless steel hardware with all tools included, it can be assembled in just 15 minutes, making setup a breeze. Lightweight yet sturdy, fade-resistant, waterproof, and low maintenance, this Adirondack chair is perfect for year-round outdoor use, giving you a stylish, comfortable, and durable seating solution that enhances any space. Whether you're enjoying a sunny afternoon, sipping your favorite drink, reading a book, or entertaining friends, the SERWALL Folding Adirondack Chair delivers classic charm, ergonomic comfort, and long-lasting performance.